Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can fix the error when there are no available photos in the photo widget on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes under this video, write comments, and let us get started with you. So friends, if you, like me, have a photo widget like this on your iPhone screen, but like me, it doesn't have a photo in it, and it says no photos available. This tells you that there is no photo available in the random album that was added to the photo widget. How does this work? See, the photo widget displays the photos you choose or photos from the album you choose. If, like me, you have this widget grayed out, either you've deleted that album or there are no photos in it. How can I check this? You can do this by pressing and holding on the photo widget. Then select Edit Widget. And here you will be able to see your added album. How you can fix such an error? First, when you go to the gallery itself, you can find your album that you've added to the photo widget. And if it's empty, just add the photos you want to it. If you don't have an album, you can easily create one. To do this, friends, at the top on the left side, click on the plus sign. Next, select the new album. Now name it something. After that, click Save. And add the photos that you would like to have in this album. After you select the photo, just click Add at the top. And as you can see, the album will be created. After that, friends, you will need to go back out to the widgets on your home screen. Next, click on the Hold widget. Select Edit Widget. And select Album here. To do this, click here. Next, select the name of an album you created earlier or perhaps one you just have and would like to add. After which, friends, as you can see, literally right away the photo widget, it's already with a photo. And if you've added a number of photos there, over time throughout the day, they'll change with you. That's how, friends, you can fix the mistake if there are no available photo widgets on your iPhone. I really hope, friends, that this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to put your likes under the video, write comments, subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.